everybody, I hope you're doing well. It's nice to see you back on my channel. So today we're going to look at modal verbs. Before we start, what exactly is a modal verb? We can use modal verbs to tell people what to do. We can use them to tell them how certain we are or uncertain we are about something. We can use modal verbs to give advice or show ability. There are so many things that we can do with modal verbs that we use all the time, which is why you need to learn the different modal verbs and use it in your daily English. I'm going to make different videos dedicated to each modal verb so you get to see all the examples, when and how to use it. So today we're going to concentrate on the word must. So when do we use must? There are 4 situations when we use the modal verb must. A necessity, something that you need. Certainty, if you are 100% sure that something is going to happen. Well, close to 100%. To prohibit something, something that you do not want to happen, something that you would like to stop. And lastly, for a strong recommendation, when you want to try and help somebody. Let's look at necessity. Alice must pass her English exam. This means that Alice needs this exam in order to move forward. It's a necessity. You must call first. You cannot go to the restaurant if you do not call. You must have a ticket to enter. Necessity. You cannot enter the cinema unless you have a ticket. Let's check out certainty. When you are 100% or close to certain that something is going to happen. This must be the right address. If somebody gives you an address and you turn up at their house, this must be their address. She must love dogs. The woman has 10 dogs in a small apartment. She must love dogs. That must be the book. Someone has told you to buy a certain book. You go to a shop and you see it. That must be the book. Recommendation. This is a good one and a popular one. You must take some medicine for that cough. Someone has a bad cough and you recommend that they take something to relieve the pain. Doctors have recommended that we must sleep for 7 to 8 hours. You must add some more salt. Beautiful food, but it's just missing that pinch of salt. And lastly, to prohibit something. Quick tip. To prohibit something, we have must in the negative form. So must will go to must not. You must not eat so many sweets. You must not play with fire. You must not forget to wear a mask. So I'm going to give you a bit of a bonus tip. Many people ask me, so what's the difference between must and have to? Must and have to have the complete same meaning. One can be used in more formal situations. The other can be used in informal situations. Must is used slightly more when you're given an order or if you give it to somebody else. You must do your homework, says the teacher. It is an obligation that is being given to you by somebody else. And have to is more of a personal choice, a personal obligation that you would like to be done. I have to do my homework is an obligation that I make myself. It's a personal obligation. There you have it, our first class using the modal verb must. As always, guys, put it into practice. If you would like to send me examples through the comments, please feel free to let me know. Every week I make new English videos to help explain grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. So make sure you have the notifications on so you can see when your next English class will be. Have a good day!